An order, may tulad ang dapat natin tutok. Labi din ni Siyudad sa Calvario, there are a lot of hearings. No? Maupay lang dyan ang matigas ng January, statistics shows that from January, nag-reduce ang mga krimen. Until last night, may aga, usang naging biktima, usang teacher, na naging biktima sa usang karumaldugan ng krimen, he was murdered using knives, using broken bottle, no? Broken bottle. Butilya ng basag, inis na siyawan. So, diri itong action o diri itong gawi isa't usang normal na tao that he is in his right mind. So, possibly, ang perpetrator siya into drugs. Kay normal nga rin nga tao, diri kaya si Moran. Unless he's drunk or he is into drugs. So, connected ito na problema. No? So, I ordered the SOCO to conduct forensic examination with regards. May nadakop na usang motor na may mga blood stain, but it is not the same motorcycle that was stolen, owned by the victim. Pero nadakop ito, may O'Reilly lisensya, iba lang galing motor, pero may mga blood stain na nakato sa motor. Ito, I called up the SOCO to conduct forensic examinations to match with the blood of the victim. So if the blood will be what we call this compatible with the blood stain in the motorcycle that is being recovered with the blood of the victim, then we can categorically say that the user of the motorcycle that has been apprehended is the same person that did the act of murdering that victim.